When in PowerPoint presentation mode, are you having trouble advancing your slides? Try this easy trick.
So in your PowerPoint presentation, you're going to come to the bottom left-hand corner and tap to get these icons out, and you are going to use these back and forth arrows to advance or go backwards in your slides.
Do you need interactivity in your PowerPoint, but your projector pen is drawing on your slides instead of acting as a mouse? Here's the fix.
You're going to come up here to the Draw tab, and you're going to select the cursor, and now you can move whatever clip art or text box that you need.
Ever tried to play a Jeopardy game or a clickable choice board on your new projector only to find that tapping the screen just skips to the next slide? Let's fix that.
First, you're going to want to scribble a little bit on your PowerPoint, and then you're going to tap the lower left-hand corner to get the icons out. Hit the three dots, select Screen, and hit Hide Ink Markup. Now, when you press on your PowerPoint in a specific spot, it will do what it's intended to do.
Are you tired of running back and forth from your projector to your computer because you need to type? Check out the on-screen keyboard.
The first step is you're going to be at your computer, and you're going to come mouse down to the search bar and click and type in on-screen keyboard. So you're going to select this app. You can be at your projector now, and it's going to be large, so you're going to want to shrink it down so it's easier for you to use. And then you click on wherever you want to type. So in my instance, I want to change website, so I'm going to click in the address bar. I'm going to type in what I want, just like how I would on a regular keyboard. I'm going to hit enter to navigate. And that's how you can use your keyboard up at the projector. So you're going to want to pin this so you can continually use it. So even when it's closed, this on-screen keyboard app is still going to remain there. So to do that, you're going to click and hold 1, 2, and let go. And you're going to select pin to taskbar. So that way, when I close it, it still remains there. And whenever I need it again, I'll just click it and it'll open back up, and it's going to remember what size that you wanted it at.
By now, you know how to navigate your toolbar, but here are some features that you may have missed.
So the toolbar is defaulted to the bottom, but you can change it to the left side, the right side, or the top. To do that, you're going to grab the blank spot of the toolbar and click and hold and just drag it over to where you want it. So if I'm on the left side, I'll do that. If I want it to the top, again, grab it, drag it over, and pop it to the top. Another feature on the toolbar is a speaker and a rectangle with a line drawn through it. This immediately cuts out your sound and your video. The button will remain there, so you can always click on it again when you want your picture back. There's also a button on the remote called AV Mute that does the exact same thing. So if I want my picture back, I'm going to click on it, and it'll immediately pop back up. And the next feature is the zoom button. If you click on the zoom, you'll notice there's 4 options. You have zoom out, zoom in, reset your zoom, and a zoom selector. When you want to zoom in, the problem is that it just picks a spot in the middle and zooms in on it, and that may not be what you want. So I'm going to reset the zoom, and I want to use the zoom selector tool. Let's say I want paragraph 7 to be zoomed in on. I'm going to click on the zoom select, and it'll just flash real quick to indicate that you've selected it. You're going to start at the top left-hand corner and snip to the bottom right-hand corner and let go, and it'll zoom in on what you've selected. And then remember to get back, we're going to zoom out with the zoom times 1, and we're going to close the menu. Another feature is the whiteboard. It has a whiteboard with a pen on it. This will split your screen, and you can annotate while looking at your computer. You can also adjust it with this middle bar. If you want less of the whiteboard or if you want more, you can adjust it there. And then right here you have 4 rectangles. This will change the background of your whiteboard, and these are all the same options, just in a different color. A lot of teachers also ask, can I upload my own background? You can't, but you can literally annotate on any website or any PDF, anything you want to pull up on the computer by using this annotation feature.